Let's see how you can easily build powerful AI agents using the latest Grok 4 Fast model, which is released by xAI. So here, this is the post about this Grok 4 Fast model, which is actually released by xAI recently. So here they have improved this model a little bit further, and here they have published all these test results, which actually compared with other existing models such as Grok 4 and also GPT-5 as well. As you can see here, the accuracy, the reasoning actually improved much more over here. So let's see how to use this particular AI model Grok 4 Fast to build the AI chatbot or AI agents for your own business. So here I'm in a demo account, and here I have connected all these channels. So here Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, phone number from Twilio, Telegram, Viber, Voice, and even you can install this chat widget on your website as well. To use the xAI or Grok 4 Fast AI model, you have to connect the API keys from the xAI. Go to settings, integrations, and here choose xAI, and you need to actually grab the API keys from the xAI platform. So if you click on learn more, you can find the guides on how to grab the API keys directly on the xAI platform and simply connect it on our platform. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of AI agents using the power of xAI, especially using this particular Grok 4 Fast AI model. Alright, so let me use a free template for this one. So go to the flow section and go to all free templates. So let me use this particular free template, which is called as Smart Conversational AI with message delays and multiple user inputs. So let me use this particular free template and use the xAI Grok 4 Fast model to build the AI agents. So in this case, to keep this original template as it is, what you can do is you can make a duplicate of this one and play around. So let me say duplicate this one over here. All right, and let me name this particular flow or the duplicate as this one. So here it says Smart Conversational AI agent. So let me rename this one as Grok Fast AI agent. Alright, and click continue. And here let me open this, and here you will find instructions on how to use this one. So here in this particular free template, you have the option to set specific time delays as well. For example, by default you see 5 different time delays. So what happens is that when a user send a message to you, it will wait for these seconds before it actually send a response to them. So here these time frames are randomized for each message as well. Sometimes they get responses after 20 seconds. Sometimes for the next message they might have to wait 3 minutes to get a response as well. So this is a powerful template if you are planning to install this on your social media AI agents. And let me actually reduce these time frames so we can quickly test how this actually works. And here let me reduce these time frames over here. Instead of minutes, let me just say 2 seconds, and here again seconds, few seconds over here, and here it says 5 minutes. I don't need 5 minutes, seconds. Alright, so here I have reduced all these two up to 5 seconds over here, and here you will see this particular business information as well. So here currently it says OpenAI. So if you want to use the xAI or Grok 4 Fast model, you have to simply add a new action here. Let me add the new action over here and choose xAI over here, and here you have to add all the information about your business. So for example, let me say generate text. So here it says generate text, and the model you are going to use is that you can choose either Grok 4 Fast reasoning or non-reasoning. So let's go with Grok 4 Fast reasoning model, and here you have to add all the information about your own business. So here let me show an example as well, and here the user message will be tracked via last input, but here in this particular template you have to change this one as well. For now, let me choose the AI output or custom field as A1 just for demo, and just save it. And let's look at how open the opening action. So this is how the opening action set up right here. So here we have some information about this specific business as well. Texas Fitness Hub, and here they have all the information about this specific business just for the demo. But if you are wondering how to grab information about your own business, you can come back to this prompt generator tool over here enter your website address and simply extract all the information about your own business and create a prompt as well, and then you can actually use that information for the AI models over here. For now we have this particular information. We just copy this information, and here as you can see here, the user message is tracked via last inputs. So you have to do the same thing if you want to change the integration to the xAI Grok for fast model. So you have to use the same thing because user message and the AI output won't change. So you can actually use the same things over here in this same action, so the flow stays the same. All right, so here keep in mind the user message is last inputs and the save response to custom field is AI output. And here let me make sure this business information is copied over here and click cancel. Now go back to the xAI integration and simply add all that information over here. All right, and here instead of last input I want to add the last inputs, so here this one. All right, and here instead of A1 I want to say AI output. All right, that's how the OpenAI integration was set up in the free template. I just mimic the same thing for this xAI integration, and here make sure you choose the correct model, Grok for fast reasoning. All right, and if you want, adjust the temperature, tokens as well, and click continue. That's it. And here we don't want to use the OpenAI now, so we want to actually use the xAI. Simply remove the OpenAI. All right, and we are done with the setup. Simple as that. So instead of building that whole thing, you can simply change the AI action over here to xAI and update it so that you have the AI agent in just a few minutes using the free template over there. All right, so now you have to make this particular flow, Grok for fast AI agent, as the default flow as well. For that you have to go to settings over here, general, and choose the flow as this one. So this is the flow name we just duplicated and renamed over there. All right, and click save, and make sure this particular thing AI auto reply is switched off as well. And if you have this xAI, you have to make sure this switched off, and all of these AI models make sure this switched off as well, because if this is switched off only, then the fallback flow will be triggered. So it says automatically use the default AI agent to respond to the user messages before triggering the fallback flow. So this switched off, so that means the fallback flow we set up right here will be triggered. All right, so now this can simply work on all these connected channels right here. So let's test this on the Instagram and see how this actually works, but it works the same for the other channels too. So let me share my phone screen over here, and here let me send a message over here saying what services do you provide. So here let me ask about the services they provide. So this time it gonna actually respond to us using the Grok for fast reasoning model. So here you can see the typing animations for the Instagram as well. Let's see what sort of response we are receiving. All right, so here we receive the response. It says, at Texas Fitness Hub, we provide access to state-of-art cardio and strength training equipment, certified personal training services, a variety of group classes including yoga, spin, and this one, and also these amenities over there as well. We also offer flexible membership starting at $49 a month with a free 1-week trial for new members. So it simply shared all this information right here. So if we go back to the particular flow, we can see what sort of data we have provided regarding that specific business and ask questions accordingly. Go to all free templates. This one, let me open this business information, and here if you want you can actually ask any sort of questions. So let me ask the phone number and see what sort of a response we are receiving, and also the address as well. What is your phone number and the address? So here I ask for the phone number and the address. Let's see how this actually respond to us. Here we receive the response. It says our phone number is this one, and you can visit us at this particular address. Feel free to call or step by for any inquiries. Simple as that. So likewise, for any questions you ask right here, it will simply respond. Here I send a question, I need a refund immediately, can someone contact me? And it simply says, I'm sorry to hear about your concern. Our team can assist you with a refund request promptly. Please contact us directly at this particular phone number or email this one with your details. Likewise, it can simply work the same on other supported channels right here. And that's a quick video on how you can easily use Grok for fast AI model to build AI agents for your own business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.